Hi, welcome to Kat's Kitchen. Today I want to share a simple tutorial on what I call sushi pockets. So what you see here is the fork trick, and with this fork trick it's easy to peel some carrot ribbons off your carrots and then just gather your favorite sushi fillings. For example, I can also recommend mushroom, kale and tofu. The next steps are quite simple and you don't need any fancy equipment. Just grab a nori sheet, the rough side facing up and the corner facing you. Create a thin rice square layer in the middle, the side facing you this time, and then just top with several layers of your favorite fillings and finish with another thin layer of rice. Now just dip your finger in water and seal the edge facing you and the edge on the opposite. Fold both edges to the middle until they meet and overlap and gently push to seal them. Do the same with the other two edges. Check if there's any overlapping nori and seal it with a little more water and by gently pushing and pressing it into a parcel. Make a cut across the middle and you have two neat and delicious sushi pockets. Plant-based sushi pockets last in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days in the fridge, and I absolutely love them with a peanut butter dipping sauce. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel to see my upcoming video next week. Lots of love, Kat.